Drive the 2016 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. And is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.